Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan. Both charge subscription fees, but they are built for different business sizes, which means the cheaper option depends on how many people use the software and how advanced your operations have become. By the end of this, you'll know where each platform fits, what costs to compare beyond the subscription, and how to avoid paying for features your business doesn't need. Start with the biggest difference. Housecall Pro is designed primarily for small to mid-sized home service businesses that want an easy way to manage scheduling, estimates, invoicing, payments, and customer communication. ServiceTitan is built for larger service companies that need more advanced operational tools, reporting, dispatching, and business management capabilities. That difference affects both pricing and value. Now look at subscription costs. Both platforms use recurring subscription pricing instead of a one-time purchase. ServiceTitan is generally positioned as the more premium platform because it includes a broader set of business management tools. Housecall Pro focuses on delivering the core features that many growing businesses use every day without the complexity of enterprise-level software. Next, think about implementation. Changing software requires time to import customer records, train employees, and adjust daily workflows. Even if the subscription looks affordable, the time spent getting everyone comfortable with a new system is part of the total cost. That matters more as your team grows. Now consider optional costs. Payment processing, third-party integrations, and additional services can increase your monthly expenses depending on how your business operates. Comparing only the advertised subscription price rarely tells the whole story. The total cost depends on the features you actually use. Another factor is scalability. A business with a few technicians may never use advanced reporting or complex workflow automation. A larger company managing multiple crews may save enough administrative time to justify paying for more advanced software. The software that costs more can still provide better value if it replaces manual work. One mistake many owners make is choosing the most powerful platform simply because it has more features. Unused features still cost money. Buying software that matches your current stage of growth is usually the smarter financial decision. To sum it up, Housecall Pro is often the better value for smaller service businesses focused on everyday job management, while ServiceTitan is aimed at larger operations that need deeper reporting and more advanced business tools. Your next step is simple. List the features your team uses every day, compare those against each platform's plans, and calculate the total monthly cost before making your decision. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more software comparisons, pricing breakdowns, and practical guides that help you choose the right tools for your business.